You've been lied to. That's why most cars barely make it past 100,000 miles. But here's the truth. Your car was built to last 3 times longer, if you know the tricks to fight back. Today, I'm exposing 17 brutal car hacks the mechanics and dealerships pray you never find out about. These aren't gimmicks, they're proven techniques from inside the garage. And the last one, it takes 1 second and can save your transmission from total failure. This one, stop trusting the dealer's oil advice. Forget the 10,000-mile oil change schedule. That's not designed to protect your engine. It's designed to get you through the warranty period. I've opened up those engines, sludge like black tar, pistons scarred, cams cooked. If you want your car to reach 300,000 miles, change your oil every 3,000 miles with regular oil, or 5,000 to 7,000 with full synthetic. A $40 oil change now saves you $4,000 in engine rebuilds later. 2. Never idle to warm up your engine. You think idling your car in the driveway warms it up? It's actually killing it. After 30 seconds, unburned fuel starts washing down the cylinder walls, thinning your oil into sludge. Instead, wait 30 seconds, then drive gently for the first 2 miles. Oil heats up 8 times faster while driving than idling. That's real protection. 3. When the pump clicks, walk away. Topping off your tank floods your evap system with raw gas. I have replaced countless charcoal canisters because of that one extra squeeze. Those repairs run up to $900. Your tank needs airspace to handle vapor. Overfill it and you choke your emissions system to death. 4. The transmission fluid trap. Transmission fluid doesn't look dirty. That's the trick. By 60,000 miles, it's full of metal shavings and clutch dust, basically liquid sandpaper. Drain and fill every 60K. Don't wait for symptoms. And never flush an old neglected transmission. It'll fall apart. Use OEM fluid only.
5. Brake like a pro, not a maniac.
Late braking is not sporty, it's expensive. Every slam overheats your rotors to 1200 degrees Fahrenheit. That warps metal and boils brake fluid. Want your brakes to last? Coast early. Use engine braking. Ease in. And when you replace parts, skip the cheap stuff. Cheap pads chew through rotors. 6. Don't gamble with coolant. One overheat can kill your engine. Aluminum heads warp at 230 degrees Fahrenheit. That's all it takes. Flush coolant every 3 to 5 years. Never mix colors. Use exactly what the manual says. The wrong coolant turns your radiator into a chemical experiment. 7. Coolant doesn't evaporate. It leaks. If you're topping off weekly, something's leaking. Maybe it's your radiator, maybe a hose. Sometimes it's hidden, like a head gasket steaming out your tailpipe. Pressure test it. Don't guess. Leaks don't fix themselves. They just get worse. 8. Ditch the junk in your trunk. Every extra 100 pounds you haul adds 1,000 pounds of force in a hard stop. That wears out your shocks, chews your tires, and trashes your suspension. Check your vehicle's payload. Travel light. Your SUV is not a dump truck. Number 9. Don't ignore weird sounds. Ticking, clunking, whining, squealing. That's not character, it's a warning. That belt squeal, it'll become a $1,200 alternator failure. That soft clunk might be a CV joint about to snap. Track the noise, cold or hot, bumps or speed. Early fixes are cheap, late ones aren't. Number 10, stick drivers. Don't ride the clutch. Resting your foot on the pedal seems harmless, right? Wrong. It partially engages the clutch and cooks the friction plate. It's a $1,500 repair you didn't need. Foot off unless you're shifting. At lights, shift to neutral. Use your handbrake on hills. Fuel pumps need gas to stay cool. When you run on fumes, they suck hot air and sediment. That burns out the pump and clogs your injectors. Try to always stay above a quarter tank. It's not just about range, it's about survival. Yeah, iridiums last longer, but not forever. Check them at 60,000, especially in direct injection engines. Bad plugs cause misfires, burnt coils, and engine failure. Always use quality brands. NGK, Denso, Bosch, whatever matches your make. Mounts don't fail loud, they fail quietly. Then one day your engine jumps in gear like it's possessed. Want to test it? Hold the brake, shift into gear, rev to 2000. If it moves more than an inch, your mount is toast. Replace it now, before it cracks your manifold.
14. Undercarriage rust is a killer. Skip the undercarriage wash and you're letting rust eat your frame. Brake lines, fuel lines, control arms, they all rot from below. Get an underbody wash once a month in winter. Weekly if you live in the snow belt. You're not cleaning for looks, you're saving the skeleton of your car. 15. Don't fall for dealership panic tricks. Service writers have quotas. That urgent repair? Probably a wallet trap. Ask for photos. Ask for specs. Get a second opinion, especially if it's a $400 fuel system flush at 30,000 miles. 16. Clean your battery terminals. White crust on your terminals chokes your starter and fries your alternator. Every 3 to 4 months, pop the hood and check. Use baking soda and water or a dedicated cleaner. Finish with dielectric grease. That $5 routine can save you $900 in repairs.
17. Always use the e-brake. Think your P gear is enough? That's cute. I've replaced dozens of broken parking paws. The tiny metal piece locking your transmission. Uphill, downhill, flat, it doesn't matter. Set the e-brake first, then shift to park. Otherwise, one snap and you're looking at a $2,800 teardown. These 17 brutal truths will keep your car running past 300,000 miles, and they'll keep your wallet from bleeding. Thank you for tuning in. Make sure you like and subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss out on more car tips and tricks.